Section 192 of Income Tax Act, 1961. TDS on salary. Munish Mehta, LLB, CA, CS, IRP. Index. Introduction. Section 192 of the Income Tax Act, 1961 deals with tax deducted at source, TDS, on salary. Your employer will deduct TDS from the salary payable to you. The salary you receive from your employer is categorized in income under the head salary, and the employer will be responsible for deducting TDS on your estimated income for the relevant financial year. Employer, pair. Employee, payee. Services provided. Salary payment. Salary is a fixed and regular remuneration made by an employer to an employee on a periodic basis. The existence of employer-employee relationship is the sine qua non for taxing a particular receipt under the head salaries. Salary includes. Section 17(1) defined the term salary. It is an inclusive definition and includes monetary as well as non-monetary items. Meaning of allowances. Different types of allowances are given to employees by their employers. Generally, allowances are given to employees to meet some particular requirements like house rent, expenses on uniform, conveyance, etc. Allowance is taxable on due or receipt basis, whichever is earlier. Allowances. Fully taxable, partly taxable, fully exempt. Example: dearness allowance, overtime allowance, fixed medical allowance, city compensation allowance, entertainment allowance, etc. Example: house rent allowance, U/S10, 13(0), special allowances, U/S10, 14. Example: uniform allowance, academic and research allowance, traveling allowance, daily allowance, conveyance allowance, allowances paid to government employees abroad. Perquisite includes. Perquisite. Perquisite may be defined as any casual emolument or benefit attached to an office or position in addition to salary or wages. Perquisites may be provided in cash or in kind. However, perquisites are taxable under the head salaries. Cost to company, CTC. Cost to company, CTC, refers to the total salary package of the employee. It is inclusive of all monthly components such as basic pay, reimbursements, various allowances, etc., and all annual components such as gratuity, annual variable pay, annual bonus, etc. Gross salary is the amount received by an employee without any tax deductions. Gross salary equals basic salary plus HRA plus other allowances. Net salary is the amount that an individual receives after all deductions have been taken out. Net salary equals gross salary, income tax provident fund professional tax. Example 2. What if an employee has salary from more than one employer, or if resign and join a different employer? Example 3. Let us assume in above example, Nick Hill resigned from his job on the 31st of October, 2022 and joined new company W.E.F. the 1st of November, 2022, at fixed as Rs 120,000 per month as salary. All other information remains same. Case laws. PSIT, TDS, versus National Health and Education Society. Where there existed no relationship of employer and employee between assessee and hospital-based consultants, HBCs, provisions of Section 192 would not be applicable. Is TDS deducted on salary paid to non-resident employees? Yes, TDS to be deducted by employers on payments made to non-resident employee U/S192. Benefit of lower deduction or no deduction of TDS is available U/S192. The assessee to whom the salary is payable may make an application in form number 13 to the assessing officer, and if the assessing officer is satisfied that the total income of the recipient justifies the deduction of income tax at any lower rate or no deduction of income tax, he may be given such certificate as may be appropriate. Due date for payment of TDS. Some important points. Form 12B. It is an income tax form that needs to be furnished according to Rule 26A by an individual joining a new organization or company in the middle of the year. The main purpose of the form is to furnish details of the income earned by the individual from the previous employer. Chapter 6A Deductions. The deductions under Chapter 6A are designed to benefit the taxpayer so that the tax burden is reduced. Deductions can be claimed under Sections 80C, 80CCC, 80CCD, 80CCE, 80D to 80U of the Income Tax Act. TDS. It refers to tax deducted at source. TDS rate chart U/S192. Rebate U/S87O. In order to provide tax relief to the individual taxpayers who are in 5% tax slab, Section 87A provides a rebate from the tax payable by an assessee, being an individual resident in India, whose total income does not exceed Rs 500,000. The rebate shall be equal to the amount of Rs 12,500 or income tax payable, whichever is less. Excess or shortfall of TDS during the financial year. Any excess/deficiency arising out of previous deduction or failure to deduct during the financial year can be adjusted subsequently as per Section 192(3). Thus, where assessee did not deduct tax from salaries in each month, rather it deducted tax at end of financial year, interest U/S2011 am, could not be levied. CITV Enron Expat Services Incorporated, Uttarakhand HC, ITA No.78/2007. If TDS U/S.192 is not deducted in equal installments intentionally, not bona fide, and the deficiency is made good in last month's, interest U/S2011 am, is liable to be levied Madoy Gujarat Vij Company Limited Veto, Ahmedabad Trip. ITA No.420/ARD/2011. Non-compliance U/S192. Thank you. Visit me at www.amjauditing.com, www.munishmeta.in.